Class 5 EVS. Okay, today we'll start the first chapter, EVS, that is everyone is unique. See, everyone is unique. Unique means what? No one is same. Everyone is different from some way or the other from the other person. Okay, no one is same. So let's start. Remember, okay, look at the picture given below. This is Ria and this is Tania. Who between these two girls has long hair? Ria. You can take your pencil and write Ria. Who is shorter? Tania. Write here Tania. Turn the page. We all grow. We all grow with age. Growth is the process of increasing in size. It is because of our growth that our shoes become tight. Our clothes do not fit us or the length of our trousers become short. Okay? Because we are growing, what is happening? Your shoes are becoming short, your clothes are becoming tight. Why? Because you are growing. Okay? Now next. Measurement of height. Okay? How will you measure our height? The height of all human beings continue to increase up to 18 to 20 years of age. Now 18 to 20, you can underline. How long will you grow? You will grow till 18 to 20 years of age. One day a medical checkup was conducted in a class. Each student of the class started to argue about the tallest and the shortest student. Some students believed Sid to be the tallest among all, while the other argued that Jaya was the tallest. To solve their conflict, a teacher came to their rescue and taught them how to measure height in a proper way to find out who is tall and who is short. Now, there was a conflict one day in a class between the students that between Jaya and Sid, who is tallest. Now, they could not find out, the student could not find out or get the answer who is the tallest. Now, who came? A teacher came to solve the problem. What the teacher did, now see. Their teacher, Miss Annie, asked Sid to stand against the wall and she marked his height on the wall using a pencil and a ruler. Then, with the help of a measuring tape, she measured Sid's height. Sid measured 4 feet 4 inch. Similarly, she found Jaya's height. Jaya was 4 feet 2 inches tall. After doing this activity, Miss Annie told the entire class that the height is measured either in centimeter or in inches. Okay. Now what happened? Here the class teacher, the teacher came, Miss Annie, and find the height who is taller now. Sid was how much? 4 feet 4 inch and Jaya was 4 feet 2 inch tall. So who was the tallest? So Sid was the tallest student. Now after this activity, Miss Annie told the entire class that the height is measured either in centimeter or in inches. You can underline this. Height is measured either in centimeter or in inches. Now, this is, you have to remember, 1 foot is equal to 12 inch, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Clear? Now, height is measured in what unit? Inch or centimeter. Now, see the next one. We all grow with age. Take your pencil and write the answers. State whether the following is true or false. We all grow with age. True or false? Write here true. There are 12 inches in 1 foot. True. Height can be measured only in centimeter. False. Clear till this much? Now next. Appreciating family members. What is this? Appreciating family members. Now, all family members of a family are different from each other. For example, a member of your family may be soft-spoken and quiet while the other may be loud. Also, everyone in the family has some special qualities. For example, someone may have a good handwriting while the other may be good at painting and art, and other may be good at dancing, acting or cooking. We must always appreciate the uniqueness and good qualities of our family members. It gives them the encouragement to do better in life. Appreciation means what? Accepting what is true, accepting what the qualities that your family members have. Suppose you can be good in handwriting, your handwriting can be good. Someone may be good at cooking, someone may be good at drawing, someone may be good at dancing, acting. So we should appreciate them. Why? To encourage them. Why? To encourage them to do better in life. This is appreciation of family members. Now next, see, this is also true and false. Take your pencils and write. All family members of a family are different from each other. True. Right here. True. Now, we must not appreciate the good qualities of our family members. False. Each child of a family has the same handwriting. False. Each child is different. Now, next topic is observing infant. Infant means baby, small babies. You must have observed a small baby in your family or neighborhood. A baby keeps crying most of the time. Do you know why? It is because they cannot talk and express themselves as we do. Only parents can understand whether the baby is crying because of hunger, pain, or want to be cuddled. Cuddle means taken care of, okay? Babies express their happiness by laughing. Now, you know, small babies you have seen every day, sometimes they are crying. No one can understand why. Okay, only parents can understand why they are crying. Why they are crying? Because they are not able to express their feelings. Okay, what they want. So they are crying. Now see, fill in the blanks to complete the paragraph. Babies keep crying because they cannot talk or express. Right here, talk or express themselves. Only parents can understand the baby is crying because of hunger or pain. Clear? For today, this much. So, what did you learn today? About height. Okay. Height can be measured in what unit? 2 units. What are the units? Inches and centimeter. Okay. Appreciation. Why should we appreciate the qualities of others? To encourage them. And babies, observing babies. What babies do? Babies cannot talk and express. Why? Because babies are crying. Why? Because they cannot talk and express their feelings. Okay. This much. For today, this much. Clear? Now your homework will be, you will read the chapter. You will read the chapter from here. From starting point. We all grow with age. From here till here. Read page 2 and 3. This will be your homework. This page and this page you read. This will be your homework. Read 2-3 times. You will understand it very clear. Okay? For today, this much. Thank you.